Here's where you can go to find the 360 audio hidden feature for your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro or the Buds 4 Pro. All right. So if you have a Samsung phone, you'll want to go into the settings of your Bluetooth. So go ahead into the quick access, long press, and go to details, then in settings here, like this here. All right. And if you have just another Android phone and you're using the wearable app, then go into the settings of your Buds 3 or Buds 4 Pro into this area here. And when you reach here now, what you're gonna do is go to where it says sound quality and effects, right there. And you'll see 360 audio head tracking, all right? So you got the toggle here, or you can go into it. And the only way this is actually going to be on is, of course, with the earphones in your ears. And you wanna go ahead and turn this on, and you can basically hear this sort of feedback where wherever you turn, you can actually hear a different sound. It's like a 360 hollow audio vibes going on, like you're just in that area with the audio play, and it gives you that sort of immersive, vivid sound experience. It's gonna be great. I'm telling you, just try it out and let me know in the comments section and which phone you have, which earbuds you have, so others can know which one it is available for. Like and sub.